In 1926, the Sisters of Mercy founded Mercyhurst Prep, and we're heading toward our 100th year as the region's only Catholic school in the Mercy tradition. We sit on a beautiful 7-acre campus, and for the next 4 years, this can be a place where students grow academically, intellectually, spiritually, and emotionally. Welcome to Mercyhurst Prep.
Welcome to Mercyhurst Prep, and I hope you have a great day.
From an academic perspective, we offer 3 concentrations: college prep, honors, and international baccalaureate. We are the only secondary high school to offer the IB program in this area. Our faculty and staff are dedicated, compassionate, and conscientious. When students graduate from Mercyhurst Prep, they are prepared with the knowledge and education to succeed at every level.
We here at Mercyhurst Prep are one of over 3,400 prestigious high schools in 157 countries throughout the world that offer the International Baccalaureate Diploma program. It's an enlightened approach to education that focuses on academic excellence and character development through higher order thinking, along with intercultural understanding and respect.
Teaching social studies allows me to feel confident that my students are going to go out into the community and use the things that they've learned in class to make the world a better place and to help others around them.
Mercyhurst Prep provides students the opportunities to grow spiritually, intellectually, and physically through the challenging and interesting courses and co-curricular activities that we have to offer.
We've created a new learning environment, enhanced with new digital tools and technology. Teachers and students can think critically, can solve problems, and work collaboratively in the classroom setting.
At Mercyhurst Prep, we are encouraged to be well-rounded individuals.
Being a Mercyhurst Prep Laker has made me a better person.
Being a Laker student athlete teaches you time management, leadership skills, and working in a team environment. Those characteristics will help prepare you for your future. So come and be a Laker.
I love being a part of the sports, clubs, and activities. The environment is super friendly and there's something here for everyone.
Whether I'm playing on the basketball court or the football field, there's nothing that compares to being an MPS Laker.
To be a Laker means to be successful inside and outside of the classroom.
One of the reasons I decided to come to Mercyhurst Prep is because of the outstanding performing arts department.
In the right environment, high school students can do anything, and that's no truer than in the performing arts at Mercyhurst Prep. I love being able to take a full score, open it up to that first page, and look at the notes and turn those notes into wonderful pieces of music. Every individual is involved, and there's nothing like the team experience that creates exhilarating performances.
At Mercyhurst Prep, we're more than a community, we're a family. We believe once a Laker, always a Laker.
At Mercyhurst, we are one big family.
Catherine Macaulay instructed her sisters to be like the river that would enter the sea and not lose its stillness. So in our theology classes at Mercyhurst Prep, we really try to embody that by providing students an opportunity to reflect and to pray and to consider their relationship with God. in addition to an academically rigorous program.
Every student learns the Mercy Charism core values while at Mercyhurst. Compelled by mercy, educational courage, inspired by faith, principled leadership, and a voice for dignity and respect. As an MPS alum, these values have stayed with me as I continue my studies and set out to make a difference in the world.
I really love it here at MPS.
There's so many activities here.
Whether it's cheering with the Spirit Squad or laughing here in the library.
It's like a second home.
Visit mpslakers.com where you'll find our application, along with important deadlines and information about shadowing an MPS student. Shadowing is the best way to experience your future as a Laker.
This is just a glimpse of what it's like to be a Mercyhurst Prep Laker. From academics to athletics, student government, the arts, whatever your interests are, you really can be anything and everything at Mercyhurst Prep. See you on campus.